Welcome, amazing ladies and stunning women, to my new video. Today, we are diving into the world of short hairstyles. If you have been looking for fantastic ideas for a pixie cut or easy ways to style your short hair, you are in the right place. Let me guide you through the process as we unlock a stunning look that will leave you amazed. We all know how important our hair is when it comes to defining our style and boosting our confidence. That's why I have carefully selected some great tips and ideas that will capture your heart. With these new techniques, you will see a remarkable change in your hair, making you even more beautiful. Think about the magic of white, gray, black, and brown colors. These shades have a special charm that will make your hair look incredibly elegant. We will explore subtle highlights and bold undertones, adding depth and dimension to your looks. Get ready to be amazed as you witness the transformation. And if English is not your first language, don't worry. Fashion is a language that everyone can understand, no matter where you are from. Now, let's get to the good stuff. I am presenting you with a special collection of short hairstyling ideas designed just for you. These hairstyles are timeless and impactful. Whether you want a chicken, sophisticated look, or a more fabulous and fantastic look, get ready to fall in love with these mesmerizing ideas. Now, let's dive into the enchanting world of gray, white, black, and brown colors. Imagine the shine your hair will have when it mixes these beautiful colors. The combination of black and gray is classy and a bit magical. These hairstyles are here to make you feel special and unique, to give you a sneak peek of what's coming. I have chosen some stunning visuals of women express short hairstyles from modern to elegant. You will find endless inspiration to express your style. Get ready to show off your inner fashionista and let your short hairs steal the spotlight wherever you go. As we are near the end of this video, I want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this amazing journey. Your support fueled my passion to keep creating content that inspires and empowers. Always remember, you are naturally beautiful, and with the right hairstyle, you possesses the power to conquer the world. So go ahead and embrace these stunning short hairstyles. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and being a part of this amazing and enchanting experience. Until next time, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. See you in the next video.